Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 four-cylinder. For wheels, we've got 17-inch gloss black wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black cloth interior with the Trailhawk stitching on the seats. Coming around back, we've got our Trailhawk badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, which are all season. Fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, power windows, a heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, different driving settings, auxiliary port, 9-speed automatic transmission. This Jeep has 10,813 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Trailhawk, check out feldmanimports.com.